Hey y'all, how's it going? Today we're going to take a look at this RAK, RAKO, I think the company is RAK, but I like to call it RAKO. It's going to be the LED magnetic pickup tool flashlight with 3 super bright LED bulbs, flexible telescoping neck, powerful magnetic head and base. 4 LR44 batteries included. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, looks like they sent us an extra pack of batteries, or I don't know if that's the pack of batteries that's got to go in the light. Let's see, does it have any batteries in it? Oh, it does. Alright, it has batteries in it. Let's put that aside. Let's check this out. Light seems pretty bright, but not really. Maybe it just needs the new batteries. So let's see, what else does it do? It's got the magnetic base here. Oh look, it has a magnetic tip here. And it's telescoping. Oh, it's telescoping. I guess about 2 feet. Is that what it says here? Doesn't really tell you how long it is. Anyway, I have a measure right here, so why don't I use it? It looks like the head could bend a little too, right? So then you could reach out and pick something up like that carburetor, right? Let's see, let's get it out of that hole. Let's get it out of the hole. Alright, I got it. So the magnet's pretty good, eh? I would say. The light, not so much. It's some old LEDs, see? You see that? It's the old kind of LEDs, not the new bright ones. So this is probably an old light. But it's still not bad. The magnet's cool. I wouldn't use it for a flashlight, but I would use it for a pickup tool. I guess the batteries are up in here somewhere. Yeah, let's unscrew it and see. Oh yeah, batteries are in there. Little battery pack there, that's convenient. I kind of like that idea. I wonder if these batteries are any good. Let me test them real quick. Yeah, I'm getting 5.78 volts, so that's about right. 6 volts, 4 batteries. So these are good batteries, and it looks like they sent us an extra pack of batteries with this thing. So that was nice of them. Let's put it back together. This is convenient. That spring looks like it's not going to last long if you keep unscrewing it. But if you don't, it should be just fine. If we can get this started again. Alright. So I guess the back base is just as strong. Doesn't feel as strong as in the neodymium, but it's still strong. Same with the front. But, you know, a good pickup tool. I would definitely say it's a good pickup tool. I have to thank my wife for getting me that for Christmas. And anyway, guys, that's going to be it for the RAK LED magnetic pickup tool. Find it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. You guys, see it in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you didn't already. Give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.